Hello, little artist. Welcome back to Mini Kids channel. At first, we took a black marker. We start the drawing. We draw the cutting part. Next we draw some small circle to draw the grapes. One by one, we draw the circle. Here, we draw the leaves of the grapes. Now, it's time to coloring. Purple color. Grapes are small, round fruits that grow in clusters on vines. They come in various colors, like green, red, and purple. Grapes are sweet and juicy, making them a popular snack. They can be eaten fresh, dry as raisins, or used to make juice and wine. Grapes are a good source of vitamins and antioxidants. Grapes grow on vines, which are like trees for grapes. They grow in bunches, like little green or purple balls. Grapes are sweet and juicy, perfect for a snack. Some grapes are green, some are red, and some are purple. Grapes are a type of berry, like strawberries or blueberries. They are a good source of vitamins and minerals. You can eat grapes fresh, right off the vine. Grapes can be dried to make raisins. Raisins are sweet and chewy, like little dried grapes. Grapes can be used to make juice and wine. Grapes are grown in vineyards, which are like grape farms. Some grapes have seeds, and some are seedless. Grapes are a healthy and delicious treat. They are a good source of energy for kids. Grapes can help keep your body hydrated. They are easy to pack for school lunches. Many people enjoy grapes with cheese. Grapes are a popular fruit for making pies. You can find grapes in most grocery stores. Grapes are a fun and healthy food for everyone. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.